This is my Bluetti EB200, which is the same as the AC200P. This is my expansion batteries. They're e-bike batteries. They're 473.6 watt hours. 36 volt batteries. These are not LiFePO 4, but I have other batteries that are. So this is how I'm going to charge it. It's down to 85%. So what I do is I put XT60 connectors on here. Okay. Over here is an XT90 coming off the Bluetti. I wish I could do this holding the phone. So what I do is you plug it in. There you go. You could do two, you could put a pigtail, and you can put both, as many batteries you want. You want a couple, 4 batteries or whatever like that. So let's see what it's charging at. Usually it's 465 watts. We're charging at 443 through the PV car port. Now let's see, this does dual charging, so if you want to, I have this plugged in. This is the power pack. Plug that in there too, and we'll dual charge this. But these are expansion batteries that you can use, and they're cheap too. Come on. Okay, so we got the batteries charging at 442 and 477 through AC power. So we're getting dual charging right now on here. So this will engage the PV mode because they're 36 volt batteries. And then to charge these batteries, I have a 36 volt wall charger with an XT60 connector, and this charges the batteries. I remember that I went on a camping trip and I forgot that charger, and it was different batteries, and I was able to charge them through the barrel port, charge these batteries back up. Does it have barrel ports? Well, not on this unit, but on another one I had the barrel ports, and I was able to, the output barrel ports, I was able to charge these batteries up. But you could buy this charger on Amazon for like 15 bucks, something like that. You just have to do a little wiring, soldering wire connectors, or use, if you don't want to solder, you can use wire connectors. Okay, so we have the battery charging at 437 and then 479. And if we wanted to, you could put these two batteries together. Okay, that's my cheap expansion battery. You can also use a LiFePO 4 12 volt, 24 volt deep cycle battery and connect it instead of these little batteries. So there's many options you have. You don't need to buy an expensive power station with a high battery capacity. You can just buy external batteries. As long as you have a nice strong inverter. Like I say, the Bluetti AC180, it's got an 1800 watt inverter, it's powerful. And you can just add your own expansion battery to it. Okay, that's it.